viewers. Hopefully you all are well. First of all, I'm very happy Eid al-Adha to all of you. And this is the very first day of Eid here in Scotland, and in England it has been celebrated yesterday, one day before. Today we are here to celebrate our Eid very first time. I am actually very first time with Zishan, and Zishan is here at second time, if I'm not wrong, Zishan?
Yes.
Okay, so it was really a surprise for me to visit this place. This is very mesmerizing, and you can just say that the Lord of this beauty is just beautiful by himself.
क्या नाम है इस जगह का?
Created. LARGS?
Yes.
Okay, LARGS. And you can just see the boats, and you can just see the play area for the kids, and people are just enjoying the weather. You know, I think because in Scotland this kind of weather is very rare. People
क्या टेम्परेचर आज?
basically I don't know about the temperature. Can you please guide me about this?
23.
23. Oh wow! And this is
और
really
इनकी ये गर्मी है. स्कॉटिश एंड की ये गर्मी है.
Yeah, this is summer for the Scottish.
हमारे लिए क्या है?
This is, you know, it's you can say it's spring or it's winter for us. Not you can say even winter, but we are enjoying a lot here, and you can just see that a lot of Scottish people are here on the road, and they are even playing. They are just here with their kids, with their babies, with their family members, with their friends. Girls are here with their boyfriends, and even we have just seen very Asian community as well. Even we are on by ourselves Asian, and we are here to visit, and we enjoyed that. Zishan, can you show that boat please, the big one?
वो करीब जाएंगे ना फिर नजर आएगी.
Okay. So okay then guys, you have to wait for this one, and we are going to show this as well. And okay, recently we just ate fish and fries with just salt and tomato ketchup, but it was not too much yummy. So I suggest you people, whenever you are going
spicy
to,
नहीं थी.
yeah, it was not spicy actually, and we love spices, you know, we are Pakistani, we love spices, and whenever you are going to come here to visit, I just suggest you can just go for the fish. It was a little bit, you know, bearable, but don't take fries, because we have to just, you know, like oh my god, and we just threw all the fries in the bin, for which no doubt I'm feeling very sad, and I have just said sorry to Allah as well that we have wasted the food. Even many people are just waiting for that as well, who cannot purchase the fries, but Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, we have just spent a very happy day today, and still we are here. Sean is just showing you all the people. Some are laying down, some are playing with the babies, with the ball, you can just see, and some are taking bath as well. You know, vitamin D is very important for our skin, and these English people, they cannot have sunshine like this as they are having today. So they are here, they are just visiting, and they are
वो क्या हो रहा है? ये बेल की आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है?
Nishan, I think, wow, yeah, exactly. This is just from the church, if I'm not wrong. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, did you hear the sounds or the ring bells in that church? And
ये क्या है?
now you can just see, I think there are some family members, they are just enjoying the ball, and we are telling you about the whole situation here. And now you can just see the play area very nicely and very clearly. Can you show this please? People who are just going to visit with their kids, this is the best place for you to make your babies happy, you know. Yes, exactly. This one. You can just see, wow, what a little boy. Yay. He's just going to have a lot of fun.
तो बताओ ना आज सुबह कितने बजे आए हैं और कितना टाइम
Yeah,
लगा हमें?
exactly.
कहाँ से आए हैं? कितना टाइम लगा? और
We just came from G42 7 p.m.
ये मजाक में बोला है. ये मजाक में बोला है.
Yeah, exactly. This is not true. We are basically from Gowan Hill, and we just started our journey at 1 o'clock due to some
ये
late
तकरीबन ग्लासगो से
preparation by myself.
30 माइल दूर है.
Okay.
LARGS.
20 miles.
ऑलमोस्ट जो है वो 50 मिनट्स की जो है वो ड्राइविंग है
Okay, 50 minutes.
और बड़ा ही खूबसूरत इलाका है। तो
The
सबसे
whole,
खास
the whole place, the whole, you can see the city is very, very, very beautiful. Even the houses, even the people, even the beauty,
लोग
beauty of
लोग भी
nature.
बहुत लोग
Yeah, exactly. The people are very kind, very, very friendly. They will give you a lot of respect, if you're going to talk with them. And yes, of course, we are going to share a picture with all of you. Maybe we are going to share, maybe not, with some.
उस शिप में गए थे हम, उस शिप में गए थे।
Yeah, exactly.
अच्छा
that
वहाँ पे
one.
क्या है जब शिप में जाके वहाँ जाते हैं वहाँ पे क्या है?
It's island, and then you have to go some. No. Yeah, exactly. You just see a lot of mountains, and then you can have a beautiful place to take a lot of beautiful pictures with very beautiful scenery at your backside, in front of you as well, not only at the backside. Sorry, guys. And now I'm just thinking that I'm just speaking a lot, and Zishan is just enjoying, So it's Zishan's turn to tell you something about the situation right now. Up to you.
किसकी?
Zishan's turn. Up to you. You're going to tell the situation. What's going on here?
यहाँ
Oh, yeah,
पे
exactly. Sorry, Zishan. Let me speak, please. As usual, I'm just going to take your turn. Okay, guys. Ladies first. That's why. So, a little bit. Expression is just remaining that when we were just eating the fries and the fish, yeah, exactly. Even it was not too much yummy, but some birds were just coming to us and they were trying to attack on us, and they were trying to take our piece of fish and fries as well, and we just started to run, but they were just following us, So finally we won and we just defeated them. Yay. Now up to you, Zishan.
मुझे बस ये जो एरिया है काफ़ी ये थोड़ा सा काम लगता है, खूबसूरत है। हवा यहाँ की बहुत ज़बरदस्त ताज़ा है, ग्रीनरी है, समुंदर है, पानी है, लोग हैं और लोग इतने फ्रेंडली हैं। वो याद है तुम्हें वो जब पिक्चर ले रहे थे तो एक वो लड़की आई हमारे पास, खुद आके बोली कि मैं आपकी तस्वीर लेती हूँ।
Yeah, she just said that if you want to have a photo as a couple.
यहाँ से हमने फिश खाई है।
Yeah, exactly. This is the fish works. Yeah, exactly. And you can see the birds as well who were just attacking. Yeah, sure.
They're just waiting.
Yeah, they were
waiting the food.
Yeah, exactly. And they are just keeping an eye on others' food, and they will do the attack as well again. So they all are the victim going to be soon. And they will run just like.
ये देखिए।
Hey, you can see this one as well. Hey, you bloody. Okay, so the gorillas are having, some vitamins D from sunshine.
And from
because,
beer as well.
From beer as well, exactly. Oh my gosh, what should I say now about beer? Because I don't know and I don't want to talk about it. Because I'm afraid of my mother as well and my mother-in-law as well. Don't tell this to anyone. It's a secret. Ammi Ji's.
अच्छा अभी हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
We are just going towards the place from where you can just collect your ticket for the boat to visit the island.
Yeah. और अभी हमने आइसक्रीम खानी है।
Are you sure, Zishan?
Yeah.
I don't think so because I have no space in my belly to eat ice cream because I have just holding the Coke as well in my hand right now. So exactly, you can show the flowers as well. Beautiful flower with white, purple, yellow color, and then red as well. Our Lord, our Almighty Allah has blessed the Goras with such a beauty, with the beauty of their selves, the physical beauty, and the beauty of the environment as well. You can just see the nature, and you gonna. Okay. So let me tell you one more thing. When there's a place for the cycle rider, you are not going to suppose to take their space. You have to give some respect them, okay?
Okay.
They were trying to say you hi, but you didn't give them lift, you know. Why, Zishan?
क्योंकि मैं कहीं और देख रहा था।
Oh my gosh, even I
यार ये
know.
आगे आगे भी खूबसूरत है सारा।
Yeah, exactly. बहुत खूबसूरत है सब कुछ. And you know, guys, what kind of beauty we're talking about? Yeah, you know. Zishan knows more better than you all.
I hope ये रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ होगा।
Hey, it's just fun, you know. Take it easy. Hey, can you show the couple?
अच्छा अगर किसी ने ट्रेन से यहाँ पे आना हो तो कैन यू प्लीज गिव
From
सम
Glasgow? From Glasgow?
suggestions
From
to the audience?
Road or from
the Glasgow
one
Central
road?
Station?
Yeah, so okay, they have to go to the railway central station, Glasgow Central Station, and then after that they will just take their ticket to LARGS, and then they will just come here. So easy. What's big about this? And one more thing, you know, they can just have follow the map as well. You know, guys, the biggest and the important thing which Zishan has guided me or taught me about my arrival in UK on the very first day, he said that you have to use the map if you want to go anywhere. And
Google
alhamdulillah,
Map.
I am very very happy that he is very supporting in these kind of things. He just gave me a lot of confidence that you can go anywhere, you can just come back. I know. He showed his trust, and then I just visited a lot of places because of the trust he showed on me. And now finally we are here again. Even not me, Zishan is here again. This is for the very first time for me. Hey Zishan, I didn't tell you. I just you know, see the word Colombia on the t-shirt of a boy, and then I just okay, now you have to guess that what should I say? Yeah, now you should guess that which personality came in my mind after reading the word Colombia.
नार्कोस।
Yeah, exactly. Pablo
एस्कोबार।
Yeah, Pablo, exactly.
क्योंकि पिछले कोई 5 दिनों से मैं नार्कोस देख रहा हूँ और ये जो मोहतरमा है ना चाहते हुए भी उसको देख रही है साथ साथ, तो कुछ करैक्टर्स और कुछ
Tata as well, Tata.
टाटा इज़ द वाइफ ऑफ पेब्लो एस्कोबार एंड इसके माइंड में चिपक गई हैं ये बातें, तो ये इसको हर तरफ जो है वो नार्कोस और पेब्लो दिखाई दे रहा है। एंड व्हाट अबाउट दैट द रिपोर्टर, द ब्यूटीफुल रिपोर्टर?
Hey, you cunning boy. How can you talk about that? Just leave her, okay?
Now you are just behaving like Tata.
Oh my gosh, I'm not Tata, you know.
गोरे हमारी बातों को सुन के हंस रहे हैं।
They are enjoying, you know.
ये क्या चीज़ है? चलें जी।
Some momentum. No, we have to take a turn like this.
मेरे ख्याल से काफ़ी है, ख़त्म हो गया, आगे भी ऐसे ही है सारा। बहुत ही खूबसूरत किस्म का ये, और मैं आपको जो भी यहाँ पे ग्लासगो में रहता है सबको सजेस्ट यही करूँगा कि यहाँ पे आएँ, और सिर्फ यही महीना होता है, समर सीज़न ही है यहाँ पे विजिट के लिए।
Yeah, exactly.
अदरवाइज यहाँ पे ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा होती है।
Yeah, you must come here to visit in summer. Like this is July, and I think at the end of the July, the season is just going to be changed. So you have to come here as soon as possible before the ending of July if you want to have some fun, entertainment with your family, have some peace of mind, and then peace of soul, you know. Really, when you people just visit this kind of place, you really feel peace, inner peace, you know. The silence, the mesmerizing trees, the big mountains, and then you really recognize that what our creative Lord has created for us, you know. What a beauty. Of course, we can't just search the words to explain the beauty, but hey Zishan, will you please go there?
And the
Oh, the girl, look at the girl. She's just, you know, enjoying with the water. Okay, but I can't go because I am barefooted, so I'm so sorry. If you want to go, then you can just go, please.
No, I can't.
Okay. Because at the end of the day, I will not accept this, that you were restricted by me at any place.
मेरे ख्याल से काफ़ी है इतनी वीडियो जो है काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो गई है. ओके गाइस, अभी हम फिर ये बंद करते हैं आज का व्लॉग. और ये खूबसूरत जो है सीनरी, हम इसको खुदाफिज कहते हैं.
और आप भी इसे जो है बहुत अच्छे से बाय कीजिए, बहुत अच्छी मेमोरीज आप कलेक्ट करेंगे. एंड आई रियली प्रॉमिस अबाउट दैट. You must visit this place. This is just fabulous.
Okay guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Hafiz.